The ThunderBuddy01 media network gets a portion of their strike likes and revenue from advertisers, which allows videos like this and many alike it to be produced. Please consider disabling your ad blocker for this channel before proceeding with the video. Thank you and enjoy.
How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy01 here. Do you want to provide extra support to the ThunderBuddy01 media network? Do you have extra cash lying around? Become an official ThunderBuddy superfan today. For just $2.99 a month, you will get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy01 himself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the top of the description, or the blue join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell. KXI89 be like, hey baby.
Here are the 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations. Relative humidity office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station code 35 from New York City. During the skies range sunny to cloudy. The signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather...
Are you kidding me? You're cutting out during the weekly.
And especially the warning alarm will vary at any location. This variability normally more noticeable in Field and 67 at Rome. Again, the 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time hourly information for the mid-Hudson Valley.
Where are you, WXM80?
Skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy, and temperatures were between 68 and 73 degrees. Now, and here's the hazard square outlook for northwest Connecticut and western Massachusetts, and northern and central Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. And in southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test.
I've heard it's 1050.
Miles per warning would follow.
I think I just got WWH34's Weekly. Because I heard a 1050 on channel 2.
And Putnam, and in... This has been an alarm test. An area of... a signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service. And especially the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all counties in the state of Connecticut, and for Nassau and Suffolk counties on Long Island in southeast New York. Once again, this was only a test. Here is the extended forecast. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers in the morning. Then partly sunny with a chance of showers in the... Synopsis. An area of...
Okay, so that makes KWO35, WXJ42, WXM80, WWH34, WNG705, then WWF48, WXL37, and WWH33. So that makes 8 weeklies today. I'm gonna do a quick radio synopsis while once this garage door opens. Screw it. All right, come on, close. Thank you. Let's see. This guy went off. This guy went off. I'm gonna be using you for the monthly tonight because that's Connecticut's monthly. So, as you mentioned, I'm not at my original location, but I did bring my radios with me. So,
with a temperature of...
you probably just straight up did not activate at all. Probably because of the static, but the 260, I believe, went off. My camcorder will probably show it. The black and silver, you son of a 120.
Highs in the...
I believe I had you set to channel 5.
The current...
Yep. The V8 was set to WXL37, as you can probably see. The R500. Let's see. Oh, really? It only got
degrees and the seas stay.
really now. It only got WXM it only got WXJ42's test. That's a shocker. Really now. WXL37, this one also went off, the FR370. As far as radios over here, pretty much a perfect crystal clean activation. The 521, Sangian, 991, even though that went off for 6 hours, I don't know why. The AlertWorks, the 996, the Sharecom, Motorola, HH, 74200, 519, As far as radios over here, got the FR800 and the Home Patrol. Alright, I think that's it. So from there is just Connecticut's monthly.